Today I am going to show you all how to make our chili mushrooms. Please note down the ingredients. For this we need mushrooms, capsicum, 3 to 4 capsicums and 3 to 4 onions. Then salt, chili sauce, soya sauce, sugar, garlic, ginger. Now for the batter. For this dish we need to fry the mushrooms, and for that please note down the ingredients for the batter. For the batter we need 3 to 4 tablespoons of besan, gram flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour, dhania powder, chili powder, ginger garlic paste and little carom seeds. This is ajwain. We'll make the batter. We'll take this gram flour here, corn flour, one teaspoon of dhania powder, little red chili powder, little carom seeds, half a teaspoon salt and ginger garlic paste. Now we'll make, with little water, we'll make a thick batter in which we have to coat our mushroom pieces. I had cut my mushroom pieces and dipped it into the batter. I've coated them with the batter. The pieces of the mushroom depends on the size of your mushroom. If it is a big mushroom, you can slice it into 4 pieces. If it is a smaller one, into 2 pieces. So according to the size, you can cut the mushrooms and you dip it into this batter, and one by one now we'll put it into the pan for frying. See here, the oil is hot. One by one we put the pieces like this. Now our mushrooms have started to get a beautiful golden color and they are done. It hardly takes, because oil is hot, it will hardly take 2 minutes to 3 minutes for the mushrooms. See, now we take these out. I have heated little oil in this kadai. First of all, we'll put this garlic. This is chopped garlic. Just cook it for a minute or so that it turns slightly golden brown. See, now we'll see the onions I have cut into these pieces, somewhat square pieces, or you can also slice them. It is your wish, doesn't make a difference. But see here, I have cut them like this. We'll saute these onions for a few minutes till they are light golden in color, and then we will add a capsicum. Here we need only our onions like this. Now we'll add capsicum. I had also cut the capsicum into small pieces, square. Whatever pieces you want, it's your choice. You want long pieces, you want, but here I prefer to cut them like this, square pieces. So now we'll put little salt. Ginger paste, let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the capsicum is slightly cooked. We don't want it completely cooked. We want slightly cooked onions and capsicum. See here, because we need it only this much, not overcooked at all. So now at this stage we'll put chili sauce. This again depends on your taste, how much spicy you want. Soya sauce, 3 to 4 spoons. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. This sugar is again optional. It depends, but I like the taste like this, so I have added 1 spoon of sugar. Now our mushrooms are ready here. So there are now 2 ways. One is, this is ready. We can directly put the mushrooms if you want a really dry veg mushroom, chili mushroom. If you want a very dry chili mushroom, so you can just add on like this. Otherwise, what we'll do is, to make a little gravy, we'll add little water, little thick gravy so that it coats the mushrooms. Little water and let it come to a boil. Now till this comes to a boil, I'll tell you. Here I've taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour and we'll add little water in this to make a paste. Just to dissolve the corn flour. We have to add this corn flour when the water is boiling. We have to be very careful for this. It should be boiling like this. See, the water is now boiling. And now we'll add a corn flour liquid and keep stirring our veg. See how fast. See, it's thickened here. It's starting to thicken. See. So now here our gravy is ready. Now we'll put our mushrooms into the gravy. See, I've put it into a bowl and here our chili mushroom recipe is ready. I hope you will all try it at home and enjoy this very delicious chili mushrooms. Thank you.